Sexy.
May trabaho ka na ba? O naghahanap ng trabaho na swak sa preference and experiences mo? JK Network Services ang bahala sa'yo. Dahil ito ang Hard or Light Job Hunting Edition!
The Heart and Like Job Hunting game is a game wherein we have a player and the job openings. The player is the applicant that is looking for a job, while the job openings are the one who will discuss the available jobs that our player can choose from. The game will start when the player started to mention his or her personal information, preferences, and experiences. Then, our job openings will pop up a balloon if they have a job related to the personal information, preferences, and experiences of the player. The player can either heart if he or she will accept and apply to the job opening, like if he or she will decline the job opening. This Heart and Like Job Hunting game aims to provide the most suitable job for the player. Happy job hunting!
On my left side, our job openings. On my right side, our applicant. Would you like to introduce yourself to our job openings and to our viewers?
Hi, I'm applicant 1. I'm single from Laguna. I'm hoping that after the show, I will have a job.
Job opening number 1. Why did you pop your balloon?
I've heard that our applicant is from Laguna, and I would like to inform our applicant and our viewers that we have 2 sales job openings that she can consider. So the first job opening is the sales job located in Binyan, Laguna, and the salary is around 15 to 25,000. So this job opening is a weekends off working schedule, and she needs to go to the office at least 5 times a week. And then the second job opening is of course a sales job opening as well. This is located in Alabang, Muntinlupa. It's just nearby Laguna, and then the salary is around 25 to 30,000, but with commission and incentives.
Ano masasabi mo doon, applicant?
That's good to know that they have job opening located in Laguna. However, I'm currently residing in Makati and I'm earning 50,000 pesos.
Job opening number 2. Why did you pop your balloon?
I popped my balloon because I have 2 job opening that is near Makati City, and the salary is much higher than she is offering. And for the first opening, I have Director for Customer Experience. It is for a BPO company located in BGC Taguig, and the salary is 150 to 250,000 pesos. And for my second job opening, I have Clinical Auditor for an IT company located in Makindi, Taguig, and the salary is 70 to 80,000 pesos. And it is for a hybrid work setup, 2 days work on site and 3 days work from home.
That's a great offer. What can you say, Ms. Applicant?
Mas maganda yung offer niya kaysa sa Laguna. However, I want to share my job. I'm currently an accounting supervisor, and then I'm handling tax compliance. I have 3 accounting members.
Job opening number 3. Why did you pop your balloon?
We have 2 job openings to our applicants. So the first opening is tax supervisor. So they are located in Makati, and the company is IT company, and they can offer up to 50,000. So for the working schedule, it's Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. For the second opening, it's tax supervisor as well, and then the company is manufacturing company, and then they can offer up to 70,000. So for the working schedule, it's Mondays to Fridays as well, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
That's a greater offer. What can you say, Ms. Applicant?
Actually, that's a very good offer, and interesado ako sa position na tax supervisor na kaya mag-offer ng 70,000 pesos. I am hoping that I will have a job.
Congratulations and thank you so much, our job openings. May trabaho ka na ba? O naghahanap ng trabaho na swak sa preference and experiences mo? JK Network Services ang bahala sa'yo. You can check our job openings. Ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Apply